Marcia Griffiths closes 60th year in reggae celebrations, with a massive showcase in Kingston. The Queen and Friends, local and international, a diamond affair. Marcia Griffiths culminates her 60th year in reggae celebrations with a massive showcase at the scenic Oak Gardens on November 3, 2024, dubbed Marcia and Friends. The event, like the one held in Florida in May, will feature some of the 50 collaborations she has done throughout her iconic career. Major international acts will also take the stage on that evening, when she performs for the first time in Jamaica for 2024. This landmark occasion promises an exhilarating blend of melody and rhythm from your favorite artists, curated by the Queen of Reggae herself. Sponsors: Tasty Patties, Wisinco Group Limited, Appleton Estate, Hick, Raytor and ePrint are among those already on board the project. We had a quick chat with Marcia about her journey. Question: why did you choose reggae?
In Jamaica, in my time in the decade of the 60s, we were influenced by American music in Jamaica, and my inspiration was Patti LaBelle, Aretha Franklin and those women, so I started out doing ballads. But even though I was doing those on hotel circuits and all that, I see reggae music as my culture in my island of Jamaica. Reggae music is what we put on the map to the four corners of the earth, and I love it. It chose me, so I stuck with reggae because that's my identity.
Question: you have worked with the two greatest bobs in reggae, Andy and Marley. How is that?
So many adjectives, including awesome and amazing. I have no doubt it's all God's work, and He chose me for this mission. Sometimes I find it unbelievable. These were two of the greatest men in music on earth. There is no way I would change anything in my journey, even if I could live my life over.
Question: what do you want people to take away from your 60th celebration?
This is so important to me. I want them to see in just a small package the journey I took and what it entails, and I also want them to feel proud that they are the ones who made it possible. What would it be without the people who supported me? The legacy that I want to leave with my fans, who are now my family, is that I was not just here to entertain. It was much deeper for me. I recognized that this was a mission that I'm on, to teach and uplift souls through my music.
About Marcia Griffiths. Born in West Kingston, Jamaica, Griffiths started her career in 1964, performing on stage with Byron Lee and the Dragonaires at the behest of Philip James of the Blues Busters, who had heard her singing in her home neighborhood. Her performance was sufficiently impressive that the following day Ron Nasrallah and Clement Dodd both offered her recording contracts. She chose to record for Dodd's Studio One label, where she recorded a series of duets with male singers such as Tony Gregory, You're Mine, Bob Marley, Oh My Darling, Jeff Dixon Words, and Bob Andy, Always Together, with whom she would have a relationship lasting several years. In 1968, she had her first success as a solo artist with Feel Like Jumping, which, like her other early Studio One solo hits including Truly and Melody Life, were written by Andy. From 1970 to 1974, she worked together with Bob Andy as a duo, Bob and Marcia, on the Harry J label. She also recorded for Lloyd Chalmers. Between 1974 and 1981, she was a member of the I-Threes, a trio of backing singers which supported Bob Marley and the Wailers. She continued to record as a solo artist throughout the 1970s, working with producers such as Sonia Pottinger and Joseph Hukim. In December 1982, Marcia Griffiths released the song Electric Boogie, which was written exclusively for her by Bunny Wailer. This version became a minor hit for Griffiths, but the song was remixed in 1989, and it was this version that made the Electric Slide, a line dance, an international dance craze. It reached number 51 on the US Billboard Hot 100, making it her most successful single. Default in October 2014. Griffiths was conferred with the Jamaican Order of Distinction, Commander Class, and in October of 2023, she was conferred with the Order of Jamaica, OJ, Jamaica's fourth highest national honor. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Your support means a lot, so feel free to share this video with friends who might find it useful too. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.